2013 Honda Pilot Touring rear entertainment package. Dark gray metallic. Side step running boards with illuminated lights. Roof rail crossbars. Tow hitch trailer package. Third row seating. Plenty of room. Power lift gate. Nice light gray leather interior. Rear window shades. DVD package. OEM carpeted floor mats. Memory driver's seat settings. Power everything. Navigation. Backup camera. And you're giving free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, auto headlights. Just over 186,000 miles. And we've got a sunroof with a sunroof window flicker. Come by and see us at U Cars.